Hey, what's happening guys? 0xenzo here with another video. This one is a DeFi 101 series banger. Here we go. What is DEXscreener? DEXscreener pretty much, as we can see here, shows the statistics of all the tokens in certain ecosystems. Yes, there is Coinmarketcap, there is Coingecko. We know about these. But this is more for, oh man, this is too bright, hold on. These are more for central exchange tokens. If you're really just trading crypto like stocks on central exchange, you know, this is for you. However, if you're trying to like really dive deep into DeFi, DEXscreener is for you. Let me explain why. We can see here it has all the ecosystems to the side and they're ranked from top to bottom. As you can see, Midas is number 10. Which is pretty good for an overall top 10 on all DeFi ecosystems. And as we can see here for Midas, we have all the tokens here, and they also get ranked from top to bottom by most trade. And let's say you click on one like Midas, for example, you could see the chart and constantly all the buys and sells going on right here. So if you want to see where you bought at, or if someone made a big dump like a whale or something, or a whale made a big buy, you could all see here through the transaction, the wallet, the ticket, it's all here. This is the transaction, everything is right here. You know, everything is out here in the open. There's nothing to hide. DEXscreener is not here to screw you over. You can also see when you choose a token, you can also see like the buzz right here, like what's going on, what's hot and what's not. Also, just like Coingecko and all that, you can see the charts. You can add alerts, you can make your own watch list. I guess they even have an app, I had no idea. The new pairs that are coming out, the gainers and losers, this is what's hot and what's not. They even have news, but nobody really reads that. You can see what's pumping right now on what eco, it has everything you need. And wow, surprisingly, VMUM is pumping more than VMUM Doge. Dang, that kind of sucks. And also another great thing that makes DEXscreener, in my opinion, really good compared to Coingecko and Coinmarketcap is and gainers and losers. In DeFi, another strategy other than yield farming is finding those gems that pump really quick. Of course, a lot of them are rugs, a lot of them are honeypots. So you have to be careful. You can see like even in Midas where I usually dwell, all the tokens, they're all here. So if you want to see what's going on, wow, why does this one have some crazy pump like this? That means this was like a meme coin that was just made. And you can see, you know, the volume is still low and everything. This definitely is a good tool to have if you want to survive and thrive in DeFi. So I definitely recommend you check this out. I'll leave all the information below. Let me know if you guys have any questions, and have a good one.